prevalence of children with developmental delays worldwide is estimated to be up to 18%. However, fewer than 1/3 of these children are identified by their healthcare providers. Brazil faces significant challenges in identifying children's developmental problems early on due to the limited number of standardized screening and assessment tools. Our research aims to address this disparity.
Our instrument is called IDADI, that is acrônimo em português, Inventário Dimensional de Avaliação do Desenvolvimento Infantil. The primary goal of our project is to first refine and then test our instruments of evaluation of child development.
So standardized instruments like the one developed by my Brazilian colleagues are especially useful for monitoring children's developmental trajectories and helping to identify children who might have developmental delays.
It's important because it's the first instrument in Brazil that was constructed here in Brazil, adapted to our culture.
It's about making a conscious effort to ensure that each item is culturally relevant. So for example, if you're a practitioner in Brazil, you want to know how a child is developing relative to other children living in Brazil, not relative to children living in the US or the UK or Australia who might have very different experiences.
We collected data from 5 regions of Brazil. These data were collected online and some with paper and pencil.
The newly developed measure were administered to more than 2,000 mothers with children ranging in age from 4 months of age all the way through 6 years of age. And it targets a number of different developmental dimensions, including cognitive skills, language and motor skills, socio-emotional development, and adaptive behaviors. The primary finding from this study is that there's strong reliability and validity evidence to support using scores from this measure to evaluate young children's development.
Now we have norms for interpretation of IDADI's scores, and we can compare the development of a child with a group of children similar in terms of age and child development.
Next steps for this line of research include developing a short form, so to help quickly screen for developmental delays, as well as a direct assessment as an alternative to mother report.
In the future, we think IDADI could be used in health services and in research projects that have some intervention focus in child development.